guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jessica, and today I'm doing a freezer slash fridge major clean out. As you can see, it's pretty gross. We have a bunch of leftovers and probably a lot of expired things in here. So I'm gonna go through and clean it really well. So I hope this gives you some inspiration. And I'm actually going to challenge you guys to clean out your fridge and freezer, and when you are done, if you will send me a picture of it all clean on my Instagram, I will be sharing those on my Instagram stories. So if you accept this challenge, let me know in the comments. So before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to my friend Amy. Her channel is Amy Darley. She does content very similar to mine, and as you can see, her home is absolutely stunning. She's super sweet, super southern. Look at how cute her family is. They're adorable. She does a lot of vlogs, and she's doing a bunch of spring cleaning videos over on her channel right now. So if you guys like my content, I know you will really love hers. You definitely have to go over and take a peek just to see how pretty her house is when you are done with my video. So I will have her link for her video in the description box. She cleaned out her fridge as well. So I kind of tackled this in sections. I went with this main section here with the open shelving. I took everything out, and then I took out those glass shelves, and then I did the drawers, and then I did the door. That way everything wasn't sitting out the entire time. And I sprayed them down with some Clorox bleach cleaner that I really like. It says it's lemon scented. It doesn't smell like lemon to me, but it smells good. I do use bleach sometimes on certain things. I feel like because there is food in here that has expired, or just food in general that carries bacteria, I want to disinfect. So I'm running some hot soapy water here, and I did use the Clorox bleach as well. That's the Clorox I'm talking about. So I sprayed down the shelves, I let them soak so that it had time to kill the germs, and then I went ahead and washed them with just hot soapy water. So right now, Grove Collaborative has all of the spring sets for Mrs. Meyer's. They are here while supplies last, and they will go fast. So if you want to take up on this offer, I would definitely do it now. This is an amazing deal. I don't know how they do it, but you will get all of this that you see here for free. The sponges, this cute little bubble up scrubber, and this set of Mrs. Meyer's. You can get the mint, the lilac, or the peony. I love the lilac, and the peony are my favorite. I don't much care for the mint, but the packaging is really pretty. But you get all of that for free just for spending 20 bucks. And I love the Caldrea line on there if you're looking for something to spend. And then just really quickly to answer if you have any questions about Grove Collaborative, basically they're just an online store to buy all of your household goods that you would need. They focus on non-toxic ingredients, and so it's not something that once you sign up you're committed to it. You can change your, like mine shipping, it'll just email me and tell me that I have a shipment ready, and I can cancel that or push it or whatever I need to do. I usually end up getting my shipment about every other month, but there's absolutely no commitment. There's no catch at all. All you have to do is spend 20 bucks and you get all that stuff for free. It really is a great deal, and I have been a customer of Grove long before I ever was lucky enough to partner with them. So if you guys have any questions, though, you can just let me know in the comment section and I'll try and answer for you. But hopefully you guys will take advantage and get you some spring scents. It ain't my style. It ain't my style. You
see right through me. I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go. I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You don't wanna stop. I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You don't wanna stop. And I keep spinning. You see right through me. Do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Don't wanna wake up. I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up. My heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You don't stop. I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You don't stop. And I keep spinning. You see right through me. Do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up. I cannot believe that it's been so long. I cannot believe that it's been so long.
If you're coming over from Amy's channel, thank you so much for coming over to check out my video. I hope that you will stick around and subscribe. I do a cleaning video every single Wednesday, and then I do different types of content on other days of the week, usually Monday and Thursday. And I do some sit downs and some vlogs and shop with me's, hauls, just pretty much a little bit of everything. You could take a look around my channel if you wanted to see some of my content, but the cleaning videos are definitely my most popular, and I do one once a week. So hopefully, like I said, you'll stick around and subscribe, and definitely introduce yourself in the comments so I can say hi.
I cannot believe that it's been so long. I cannot believe that it's been so long. hold you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. We're like a broken record, 'cause we always mess it up, even though we say we never do that. So here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're like chemicals, chemicals, and I don't know if what we have is even real.
So now it's time for the freezer, and I'm just taking everything out again, and then I wiped everything down, same thing that I did with the freezer pretty much. And right there, my daughter brought me, she had found a ladybug, and she was showing me her little ladybug. It was so cute. But yeah, pretty much the same thing I did in the fridge. I just took everything out, cleaned it out, wiped it down, and then reorganized it. So I can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out.
Cause when we touch, it feels like we're like fireworks that burst into the sky, and then it's over like that. So here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're like chemicals, chemicals, and I don't know if what we have is even real. All I know is that you're in my head, like chemicals, chemicals, oh, 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 chemicals, chemicals, oh, 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 chemicals, chemicals, chemicals.
I get all of my organizing bins from the Dollar Tree, and that's what I highly recommend doing. If you want to do an organizing project, go there. If you can't find anything in store, you can definitely look on their website and buy in bulk, which is another thing I like to do. But I love the Dollar Tree for organizing bins. So just in case you were wondering, all of these bins were $1. So it is all done. When my oldest came home from school and opened the fridge to get a snack, she said, "Wow, it looks like a brand new fridge." And I have to agree, it's so shiny and organized. We can see everything that we have now, and it looks so good. I love opening it now, whereas before it was just something that I didn't even want to mess with. But I'm so happy with how it turned out. So here's to keeping it up. And also, don't forget that I challenge you to clean out your fridge and your freezer. Send me a picture of it afterwards, and I will share that and shout you out on my Instagram stories. So let me know in the comments if you accept my challenge, and I will be waiting for y'all's pictures. So we can do this, ladies. It didn't take that long, and it feels so good now that I'm done. And I just said ladies, but definitely gentlemen as well. I know I have a few men that watch my channel and do the cleaning and the organizing. So if you're watching, I challenge you as well. But yeah, definitely let me know. And if you're new, say hi so I can say hi back. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.